Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech Python video. We have looked at lists and now we're going to use a for loop to iterate or move through a list. So I've just created a list. It happens to be in ascending order, but it doesn't necessarily need to be in general. In fact, let's go and make a change so that's not in ascending order. In order to iterate or move through a list, with the for statement, we do for, and we have a variable x. Could be anything I want. X in my list, because that's the name of my list. Colon, because you always end the for statement with a colon there. Then inside the code block, let's just print x equal, and let's go ahead and use the formatting function. And so we'll print x here. We're now ready, I think, to run this. Again, just a simple program with one line, printing the output. Here we've got 1, 5, 7, and so on. So it just iterated through or moved through the list till it got to the end of the list. We could do anything else we wanted with this list as long as we iterate through it. Looking here, the syntax is for x. X becomes the variable. And if I go in here to see the type of x, and I need to wrap it in a print statement, and now if I run it, it's going to tell me each time that x is an integer because the list is all integers. Nothing surprising there. We can do the same thing if we have a list of floating point numbers. So let me go ahead and take and copy this, and I'm going to change this to a list of strings. In strings, I have to enclose in quotes. Separate by commas. So I've got 4 items there. And now if I run it, it iterates through. This time, each time, x is a string, which is what we expected, and we could move through and work our way through the string. So that is how we can iterate through a list using the for command. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.